Morning class 9. In the previous two lectures I had given you formulae related to your surface area volume chapter, that is chapter number 13. Now today we are starting with exercise, your questions and the problems of exercise 13.1. 13.1 and 13.5 I had told you both are related to cube and cuboid. So we will do both the exercises in parallel. 13.1 is related to surface areas and 13.5 is related to volumes. So 13.1 now. Similar questions are there, so we will be doing one question at a time and one question you will be practicing at home. For example, first question. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is opened at the top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet determined. Now just imagine you are sitting in a room or you brought a sweet box from market which you should not eat right now. You brought a sweet box. Just imagine that sweet box that you have brought. You pick that sweet box, that is a cover, remove that cover, you will find a box. How many faces does it have? It has 5 faces, 4 walls and the base. Just imagine you are sitting in a room in which you are studying at your homes. Length, breadth and height is there. You have the rooms surrounded by 4 walls, the base and the top. Just imagine that top is removed. How many surfaces? 5 surfaces, that is 4 walls and the floor. Here also is asking what is the area of sheet required in making. The area of 4 walls plus area of floor. Similarly, in the second part he is asking the cost of sheet. If a sheet is measuring 1 meter square, cost rupees 20. So total area of sheet multiplied by 20. Same kind of question is question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter respectively. Length, breadth, height is given to you. Find the cost of whitewashing it walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of 7.50 per meter square. All of you sitting at your homes looking at this, just imagine, just look around your room. Where is the painting done? 4 walls and the ceiling, not the floor. On the floor there might be tiles, on the floor there might be marble, on the floor there might be granite. So we paint only 4 walls and the roof. Again there are 5 surfaces, same as question number 1. The only problem in question number 1 and question number 5, in question number 1 you can see the dimensions are of different unit. 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter. So we will convert that 65 centimeter into standard international system of length SI unit, that is meter. So first question we will be doing, that is exercise 13.1. First question. Second question you will try. For what is given to us? Length of box. Length of box, that is L, 1.5 meter. Then width of box. Width of box, that is B, 1.25 meter. And the height of box or the depth of box, that is H, is equal to 65 centimeter. The first and the foremost thing, meter, and this is centimeter. You will convert this into units. 65 centimeter will be converted into meter. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore 1 upon 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. This is taught to you conversion in your classes. 65 centimeter needs to be converted into meter. That will be 65 upon 100 meter. So that is 0.65 meter, the height. I hope everyone is knowing this. We move the decimal 2 places, then it is 2 zeros. Now he says area of plastic sheet. First thing, area of plastic sheet required. Where are we going to use it? First, area of 4 walls, because it is going to be at 4 walls, plus the area of base, that is floor, you can say. Area of 4 walls, that is the lateral surface area, since all the dimensions are different. It is a cuboid. Lateral surface area of a cuboid formula was given to you. It was 2h into L plus B plus area of base, that is L into B. I hope you have done the formula. All the dimensions are given to you, substitute. In the second question also you have to do the same thing. Sir, but there is a roof or ceiling. There is no floor. It is the same. Area of 4 walls and the area of the ceiling. Area of ceiling will be the same as the area of the floor. So substitute the values. 2 into h 0.65 into L 1.5 plus B 1.25 plus L into B 1.5 into 1.25. 2 into 0.65 1.3. 2 5s are 10, 0 carry 1, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13, 3 carry 1, 2 0 plus 0 and 1. Multiply that. 1.5 plus 1.25, it is 2.75 plus 1.5 into 1.25, 15 5s are 75, carry 7, 15 2s are 30 and 7, 37, carry 3, 15 1s are 15 and 3, 18, and decimal after 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is the area of the base. 1.30 multiplied by 2.75, or we can say 13 multiplied by 2.75. So 13 5s are 65, carry 6. 13 7s are 91, 91 and 6, 97, carry 9. 13 2s are 26, 26 and 9. 26 and 9, that is 35. Decimal after 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, sorry, and another 0 over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3.57 plus 1.875. Added 0.5 and 5, 10, carry 1. 7 and 7, 14 and 1, 15, carry 1. 8 and 5, 5 and 8, 13 and 1, 14, 4, carry 1. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5.450 meter square is the sheet required. This much sheet is required for making this. I hope it is clear. Now the second question arises, sir, the cost of sheet for it. Sir, cost, all of us know. When we are going to paint, when we call a person to paint our house, he says, either he says, sir, for the entire house I charge for 20,000 or 15,000. Or he says, sir, for 1 meter square I will charge 10 rupees, 15 rupees. What does that mean? So this is 1 meter square, for example. For this painting, he is going to charge 50 rupees or 20 rupees. What is he going to do? He will paint the entire house. He will calculate the area he has painted and multiply by the weight. Same thing is over here. A weight of metal sheet, second part. Weight of plastic is equals to rupees, how much was that? 20 rupees. 20 per meter square. So therefore, total cost of plastic is equals to rate multiplied by area. So rate is rupees 20 per meter square multiplied by area. We have already calculated 5.450 meter square. 5.45 meter square multiplied. 25s are 100, 0 carry 1, 10. 24s are 80, 80 and 10, 90 carry. 24s are 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9, and 2 5s are 10. And one more 0 and decimal after 2 places. 109 rupees. What is the cost? 109 rupees for the plastic. Same is question number second. I hope you can do. It will be the same formula. Multiplied the cost. Rate over there is 7.50. So instead of rate 20, it will be 7.50 per meter square. That was question number first and second. Please check question number third. You can do this question number third. It says a cubical box has 10 cm, another cuboidal box 12.5 cm, 10 cm wide and 8 cm. Which box has greater lateral surface area and by how much? You have the formula for both of them. Second part, which box has total surface area, less total surface area and by how much? Both the formulas are there with you. Please solve it. Question number first you have to do, we have done. Second you have to do, third you have to do. Please check to come down to exercise 13.5 as I said. Simple questions based on volume of cuboid and cube. First question, a matchbox measures, all of you have seen matchboxes, 4 centimeter into 2.5 into 1.5. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 matchboxes? The volume of one matchbox, length into breadth into height. Length is given to you, breadth is given to you, height is given to you. Multiplied by 12, you will get the total volume. Correct? Simple application. Question number second, a water tank, cuboidal water tank. Everyone has water tank in at grounds, underground water tank. 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. We hold water into that. That is the volume. Question says, how many liters of water it can hold? So, meter cube, calculation is given to you. 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liter. Whatever volume you get in meter cube multiplied by 1000, that will be in liters. Question number you can do question number 4 also, question number 3 as well. Check. A cuboidal vessel 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. The length and breadth of vessel is given to you. How high must it be made to hold 380 meter cube of liquid? 380 meter cube, that is the volume. If we remove this 13.1 and 13.5, see. Question number 3rd and 4th are same. We will do question number 4. So why? Because in 4th question you can see the volume, it is given. One more thing is, let us try 3rd only. A cuboidal vessel 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. Length of vessel L 10 meter and width of vessel B equals to 8 meter. Yes? Okay. And the volume is given to you. Volume of vessel 380 meter cube, that is given to us. Question says, how high must it be made? He is telling us to find the height. We know the formula for volume of vessel. It is in what shape? Cuboid. So volume of vessel L into B into H is equals to 3. Substitute the value L 10 B 8 H we have to find is equals to 3. Cross multiply. 10 and 8 are in multiplication, goes into division. So H is equals to 380 upon 10 into 8. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Yes? So therefore, height is equals to 19 upon 4 meter. You can convert this into decimal. 19 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16, 3 decimal 0 4 7s are 28, 2 0 4 5s are 20. So the height is 4.75 meter. Students, question number exercise 13.5, question number 1, 2, 3 I have done for you. Question number 4 you have to do. Simple question. Please check it. Rest of the questions we shall be discussing in the next class. Practice them and complete these questions. Thank you.